Hey, welcome to my channel where we teach you tips and tricks on how to detail a vehicle. Today we're going to clean a Mustang, but we're going to do something special today. We're really going to clean this engine so clean that we're going to eat off of it. Yes, eat off of it. These are the products that we're going to be using. Right here is where we're going to use our degreaser, which helps move the grease. Right here is what we're going to use for our shine. I may use it, may not use it. Of course, you know what this is, Dawn. This is what we're going to clean the engine with. This is my shine that I use to shine up the engine when we're done with it, and my brush to get the little crumbs and things out of the crevices, and my brush that I would use to put the soap onto. Not in that order, but that's what we're going to use. Here's the engine that we're going to be cleaning. As you can see, it has debris, dirt up in the crevices. We're going to use the air gun to blow that out. As you can see, the dirt, all the dirt up in there. We're going to clean all that out with the tools that I showed you before this video started. The air gun, we're blowing out, getting between the crevices to blow everything out so you won't see it. This is my Dawn soap that I showed you earlier that we use to get the grease out. It helps with removing the oil on the engine. I am now spraying degreaser, which helps remove that oil too. I'm putting it on the carpet, as you see. This is the brush that I showed you that we used. The brush with soap on it to get in the crevices, to get in where I can't reach with my hands. I use a pressure washer to blow the soap off, which is good. Helps with getting the stuff I can't get with my hands. I use terry cloth towels. I use terry cloth towels to remove to dry it off with. As you can see, it is good and clean, ready for the rest of the work to be done. Now let's degrease the whole engine. Some of you out there may be flipping, saying he's putting spray all over the engine. I've been doing this for 40 years. Out of my 40 years of doing engines, I perhaps only had 2 of them, but this was the early years of vehicles where carburetors and whatever, and they kind of, the spark plugs messed up. But from that moment on, I have not had a vehicle. So if some of you that's worried about water, protect it. Now be careful. If you see I'm going around the edges, but I don't keep the water on one particular spot too long. But you so worried about, the parts, don't be. Trust me, don't be. I've been doing it for 40 years, and I do all dealership cars. Dealership cars. Not one vehicle has ever messed up. So you worried people out there saying, hey, you can't put water there, you can't do this. Yeah, yes, you can. Trust me, yes, you can. I've been doing it. I do thousands of cars. Not one has ever messed up. Now I'm using the air to blow off the excess water that I have left in there to get out of the crevices and everything that you see what I'm doing. I'm sure you guys are gonna tear up my inbox. I used the little brush to get in the spots I couldn't really reach to brush off, and then I used the air gun to blow off the dust that I couldn't reach. Now I'm using terry cloth to wipe down the water to get it ready for the shine. This is the shine I was telling you about. It helps go over the spots and won't leave a greasy look to where you look like you got an oil leak inside your vehicle, because customers do not like when they open up an engine in a dealership and they see shiny oil looking around. They think it has an oil leak, which is not good for the sale. Now I'm using wax towels to remove the oil, the shine, to where it look more natural on the vehicle. Here's the finished work. Looks good to me. Now let's go eat off this vehicle. Jay he keep eating it. Hey man, got some more, Jay got those fries. Got those fries, Jay. Jay got those fries. Grab me for those fries. No, yeah, that burger good. Just dump in your mouth. Oh boy. Hey look. This engine's so clean, make you want to slap your local Chinese man. Hey, look.